Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi.
Friends, in this video I am going to discuss about the divergence of a vector field, gradient of a vector field, and some simple, very simple examples on this, how to find a divergence and curl of a vector field. Here already we have defined the gradient of a scalar field. On a scalar field phi, x, y, z, phi is a scalar field, scalar point function, it represents a surface. We know it is defined by grad phi equal to del phi. That is I dou phi, dou by dou x, j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou into phi. This is defined already. Like that, second type is nothing but divergence of a vector field. If f is equal to vector f is equal to, that is vector field, f1i plus f2j plus f3k, where f1 f2 f3 are f1 f2 f3 are functions of x y z along x axis, along y axis, and along z axis. Okay, then this will represent a vector field. Therefore, then divergence of f, divergence of vector field f is defined by div. Shortly we'll write it as a divergence as a div of vector f is equal to del dot vector field, and del we know already. Del is nothing but I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, and dot product with f I have to take. F is f1i plus f2j plus f3k, and dot product between two vectors we know already. That is, to find out that dot product between two vectors, coefficient of I have to multiply. Therefore, dou by dou x into f1 plus, and here when dot product ijk I don't have to write. Okay, it is a scalar product, plus dou f2 by dou y, coefficient of j here, coefficient of j here, then dou by dou z of f3. This will give you divergence of f, divergence of f. And here you can observe here no ijk terms are coming. Therefore, which is a scalar quantity, which is a scalar quantity. Therefore, divergence of f, divergence of a vector field is nothing but a scalar quantity. And one note I will write here, that is, if divergence of any vector is equal to 0, then vector f is known as solenoidal vector. That is the solenoidal vector. This condition I am going to use for the next while solving the examples. Like that, let me define the next curl of a vector field. Here, curl of a vector field, if capital F is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k is a vector field where f1, f2, f3 are functions of x, y and z, then curl of f is defined by and shortly we denote it by curl of f is defined by del cross f, here cross product between del and f, whereas the divergence is dot product, here it is a cross product. Therefore I know del I dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z cross product with f1i plus f2j plus f3k, dot product between these three. Cross product. Here cross product, we know how to define the cross product. Cross product between two vectors is given by determinant I, j, k, and the second row elements are coefficients of I, j, k from the first vector, that is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and third row will be coefficients of second vector, that is f1, f2, f3, and we must know how to solve the determinant. After solving this determinant, I am going to get in terms of I into dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z plus minus j into dou f3 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou z plus k into dou f2 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou y. Here again I, j, k are coming, directions are coming, therefore which is a vector quantity. Therefore curl is nothing but a vector quantity. Just you have to remember, curl is defined by del cross f, whereas divergence is defined by del dot f. Like that, one more note I will write here. If curl of f is equal to 0, then vector f is known as irrotational. Irrotational vector. Okay, if curl of f is equal to 0, then that vector f is known as irrotational vector, whereas if divergence of f is equal to 0, then that vector is known as solenoidal vector. One example on this simple I will solve here. Very simple example I am going to solve here. If vector f is equal to xy square plus 2x square yz minus 3y square z into k is a vector field, then find the divergence of f and curl of f at the point 2, 1, 1. Okay, here vector f is equal to xy square I plus 2x square yzj minus 3y cube zk, then small f1 is equal to xy square, f2 is equal to 2x square yz, and f3 is equal to minus, due to this minus 3y cube z I will take. These are f1, f2, f3 coefficient along x axis, y and z. Okay, then a divergence of f is defined by, we know that divergence of f is equal to del dot f, and a dot product is given by dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z, which is a scalar quantity. Therefore dou f1 is x y square, therefore partial derivative with respect to x will become y square plus dou f2 by dou y, partial derivative of f2 with respect to y will become 2x square z. Partial derivative of f3 with respect to z will become minus 3y cube. Therefore, divergence of f at the point 2, 1, 1 is equal to y square. Y is equal to 1 square plus 2 into x equal to 2 square plus into z equal to 1 plus minus 3 into y square, y is equal to 1 cube. Therefore 2 square is 4 into 2 8 minus 3. Therefore 9 minus 3 is 6. Like that, curl of, I have to find out, curl of f is defined by del cross f. Okay, del cross f is given by determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and f1 I have to take, f1 is x y square and f2 is 2x square yz and f3 is minus 3y cube z. Simplifying this, I into dou by dou y of I into, leaving that row, leaving that column, I into dou by dou y of into this minus 3y cube z minus dou by dou z of 2x square yz minus j into, leaving that column, leaving that row, this I have to solve, dou by dou x into minus 3y square z minus dou by dou z of xy square plus k into this into this, dou by dou x of 2x square yz minus dou by dou y of xy square. Simplifying this, partial derivatives, I into partial derivative with respect to y cube differential is 3y square, 3 into 3 minus 3 into 3y square into z minus partial derivative with respect to z will become 2x square y minus j into partial derivative with respect to x here, but no x term is there, 0, minus no z term is there, partial derivative with z, 0, plus k into partial derivative with respect to x, 2 into 2x, partial derivative of x square is 2x, yz as it is, minus with respect to y will become x into 2y. Simplifying this, or curl of f at the point I want to find out, that is 2, 1, 1, I into minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9 y square is 1 square, z is also 1, minus 2 into x value is 2 square, y value is 1, minus j into 0 plus k into 2 into 2 4x 2 y is 1 z is 1 minus 2x x value is 2 y value is 1. Simplifying this, I am going to get it as a minus 9 and here 2 square is 4 into 2 8, therefore 2 into 2 4 into 8, minus 9 minus 8 will become minus 17 I, minus 9 minus 8 17 minus or plus 0 j, and here 4 into 2 8 minus 4 will become 4 plus 4k. This is a curl at the point. This is how to find the curl and divergences at the particular points. Next class I am going to discuss examples on this divergence and curl as well as solenoidal and irrotational. Okay, please subscribe my channel and give the comments. Thank you, friends.